Hmm?
Cheese.
You want cheese?
Cheese.
Hmm?
Cheese.
Okay, no cheese is a video.
Cheese.
Hmm? Do the hokey pokey. Left foot, yeah.
Cocky gugger. Cocky gugger. Cocky gugger.
Run it. Where are you?
Uh-oh.
Where are you?
Cocky gugger.
Where is it?
Elmo.
Elmo.
Right
Elmo, where are you?
there. There.
It's right there?
Right there.
Alright. What about Cookie Monster?
What's that? Right there.
Mm-hmm. How do you brush your teeth? Oh. Ooh. What does a frog do? Oh. What does a lion do? Oh. What about a dinosaur? What does a dinosaur do? Oh. What does a dog do? Ooh. Where's Caillou? What? Nope. Oh, now do me. There you go, night night. Oh. Good morning. There you go, night night. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Healthcare is a proud sponsor of Sesame Street, an active play for 60 minutes every day. When children learn to
Oh.
they begin to see a bigger picture.
How do you ask? Of course. How many?
1, 2, 3. Click the pencil.
3.
Wow, cool.
Cool.
Pencil.
Cool. It's a pencil. Say hi, Gam Gam.
How
Say how are you?
are you?
How are you doing today? Where's your eyes? Where's your nose?
No.
Where's your lips? Ooh. Where's your teeth? Where's your knees?
I click it.
Right there. What about your shoulders?
Show it.
What about your head?
Head.
Shoulders.
Ow.
What?
Oh, head.
What happened?
Head.
What happened to your hand? Where's your head?
Head.
Where's your shoulders?
Foot.
Knees.
Wings.
Toes.
Two.
Where's your toes? 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 Where's your head?
Two.
That's your toes?
Two.
Oh man, where's your socks?
A toe.
How old are you, buddy?
Like two.
Show me.
Like two.
Where's your two?
Like two.
That's two. You're two. Yeah. Yeah, you got it.
Like two.
Yeah.